Okay guys, so just like that, we were able to get all the motor stuff out. Went ahead and got the motor mounts out as well. I already unhooked the exhaust in like the midsection, and then I go to the back and finish unhooking that. The person that's coming to buy it, they're only going to pay $800, but I'm keeping the motor mounts and the exhaust, which is fine. So dropout is out, ready to go into that car. And that's the end of this chapter for this. I didn't have it for long, but then again, I literally only bought this car for the dropout. All right, so I got the engine pushed underneath this EG chassis. I'm about to drop it down and try to get it mounted up before the sunlight goes away. I mean, it's not gonna go away, it's only 1 o'clock, but I do have other things to do tonight, so we're gonna try to get this mounted inside the chassis, and then maybe later on tonight I'll finish up wiring and all the coolant and stuff like that. There we go, we got it all mounted up. Driver's side mount, passenger mount, rear T-bracket. Gonna go ahead and clean up the engine, get it all nice and clean, and then start hooking up coolant lines, fuel lines, and whatnot.